Hey everybody, I'm just super excited to get a listing on the market. It'll be on tomorrow. It's listed at $225,000. I'd love to show you this home in person, or if you need to sell your home and you're just worried about not being able to purchase until you sell a home, I know I can help you out with that too. We could certainly get your house on the market, get you into this new larger home. If you want to upsize, give me a call, 715-612-2673. Thanks. So this is the location on Bradley Farm Road. That's the snowmobile trail that goes back to the school, links into the Tomahawk School system. So this is definitely within walking distance of the Tomahawk School complex. So this is my new listing on Bradley Farm Road. There's a 2-car garage, little nice garden bunks here, full porch going on the one side of the house. It does walk out into the backyard. There is a neighbor over here, but otherwise when you get to the backyard, it's actually really private. It does have access through an alley to get to the back side. It's pretty undeveloped, but you could get that alley access and then potentially put another garage in the back if you needed more storage. So that's kind of the backyard. There's a little garden shed type storage back in here. Kind of nice. So this is that covered porch. You could definitely enclose this, screen it in. My thought was to finish that. There's a plate there for a deck to come out that patio door. He just has that patio door locked off, so you can't get exit out. But if you extended out a nice deck, you could put a nice big screen porch add on to the house. So you walk in off of the deck, porch, and you got a nice big kitchen, lots of cabinets, space, island, dishwasher, dining room area. This comes into living room area. Good sized living room. And then this is that patio door that you could extend that deck out to. So off the kitchen is the door to the garage. There is an entryway closet, or he actually is using it as an open pantry. Then there is a nice large laundry room. And then it was set up to put a half bath in here. So that has the potential to put a half bath. That way you would have a separate main bathroom on this level. So dining room area, I'm not quite sure I highlighted that. This house does come with a home warranty, so you get 13 months of home warranty on this home. So you go down the hall from the dining area, and there is a master bedroom and a master bath. That's just a closet area. There's some, just some finishing work that needs to be done here. Needs to add some trim, some doors to the little closet areas. This closet door is also unfinished, so some of the trim just needs to be done. There's a closet there, and then you go upstairs, and then this is kind of a nice big landing, and again, just needs some paint and trim stuff. You have another full bath. And there are 4 bedrooms here. So these bedrooms are a little odd shaped, but this one goes back. Closet. Enough room for everyone to have their own bedroom. If you need 6 bedrooms. This house has 6 bedrooms. 4 on this level, 1 on the main level, and then there's 1 in the basement. And then there is a room above the garage. Call it a garage bonus room off of this little nook area. And this is all storage. could possibly be made into another rec room, possibly. There is another large bedroom. You could potentially call this a master. Also, it does have an attached bathroom and a walk-in closet. And again, just ceilings, drop ceilings, doors, trim, just needs to be finished. It walks into the utility room. This actually goes up. There also is an entrance from the garage that goes up here, and then that comes in by the kitchen. Pretty large hot water heater there. There is a forced air furnace, central air, and then this is an office area. So it actually could be another bedroom if you wanted this area to be a bedroom. They do have this nice workshop area, but again, it is the city, you're in city water and sewer. If you wanted to make some extra bedrooms out of here, there is egress and egress windows. You would just have to figure out closet space. There is charter internet, so you have high-speed internet here.